Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to convert your old QD files to MP3 quickly and easily using WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro. Whether you want to extract audio from a video or convert a batch of files, this tool makes it super simple. Let's get started. First, download and install the application from the official website. You can find the download link in the description below. Open the program after installation and click on Converter. Now, hit the Add Files button or simply drag and drop your QD files into the window. You can even add multiple files at once for batch conversion. Next, let's choose the output format. On the right side, expand the format library and head over to the Audio category. Select MP3 as the output format. You can also convert QD to other video and audio formats if needed. If you want to customize your MP3 settings, click on Parameter Settings. Here, you can adjust the bitrate, sample rate, channels, and even boost the volume. But if you're not sure, you can stick to the default settings. Almost done. Now, choose an output folder where you want to save your MP3 files. Once everything is set, click Run to start the batch conversion. Once complete, check out the results. That's it. You see, the process is fast, and in just a few seconds, your MP3 files will be ready. Converting QD to MP3 has never been easier with WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro without internet connection, file size, and duration limits. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more video tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, see you next time.